Hello everyone, this is Jay and good morning. It's Sunday. I have my cup of coffee next to me and I'm ready to give you guys an update on my dividend portfolio. But let's start with the purchases that I made on Friday, which are these ones right here. And I started, of course, with SCHD, $31. I had an extra dollar in there, so I put it towards SCHD. Share price was at $77.72. The market has been taking a dip, so I'm going to capitalize on that with SCHD and VYM also, which I put $25 into VYM. Share price was at $117.43. Then I went into two of the stocks that I explained in the last video I was going to be buying some more of, which it was Starbucks. $15 I put towards Starbucks. Share price was at $85.17. I also have another $15 for Monday, which is my April's challenge of every Monday. Put $10 to $15 or a minimum of $10 into one stock. So I have Starbucks for April. No matter where the price is at, every Monday of the month, I'm going to be buying Starbucks. So right now it is at $85.17. So I'm going to be buying some more on Monday. I'm definitely excited about that. I want to continue building that position. And if it goes down even more, I'm going to be buying more. Honestly, which one of you are buying Starbucks right now? I'm really taking advantage of the price dip right now. Next one was $15 into J&J, which was another one I explained. I wanted to buy some more, some extra. I really wanted to deposit some more money, but to buy even more of the J&J and Starbucks. But I bought $15. Share price was at $148.80. I feel like J&J right now is definitely at a good price, and this is a good buying opportunity for J&J. So I'm going to continue building that position. I'm going to see if I can deposit a little bit more on Monday. Let me work out of my budget, especially today. I have a few things I got to buy today on Sunday. So let's see. The next one was $10. My weekly $10 into FXAIX S&P 500 Index Fund. Share price was at $177.94. Then I put $10 into these two right here. Vici, ticker symbol VICI. $10. Share price was at $28.06. I know some of the subscribers are buying it right now. I'm continuing to buy. I'm continuing to build this position, and I want to continue to be a little bit more bullish on it, especially after the good numbers that they have and the good growth that they continue to have. Then I put $10 towards Visa. Visa is a long-term position for me that I want to continue buying. I want to continue building that position no matter where the price is at, really. This year, I'm going to be buying on a weekly basis. So share price was at $276.67 for a total in purchases of $115.65. Now, let's go into my dividend portfolio. And as you can see, these are all of my positions. I'm only in the positive by 0.15%, only up by $17. So some of my positions are really in the red right now, and bringing my portfolio down. Like for example, All Realty Income, I'm in the negative by 9%, and then J&J by 7%. But J&J and All Realty Income, I see them as opportunities right now to buy more and continue to bring my costs down. I didn't buy any O this week, but I've been buying pretty much since it's been down. And look at my cost per share, $57.70. So I'm excited about that. 27 shares of O. Then this one, PFE Pfizer, I'm down 21%. I started buying in around $36. So I've been bringing my cost per share down. I believe in Pfizer long term. I did not buy it for now. I bought it to hold it for years. So hopefully it does pay off. Hopefully it doesn't go bankrupt anytime soon, right? You just never know. But hopefully it just continues. It grows from here. Hopefully it does. Vici is another one, 6%. I'm down in the negative. But my cost per share is already under $30. So I'm going to be buying some more of Vici hopefully next week. Hopefully it stays around these prices in the 20s, in the mid 20s. So I can buy some more. Starbucks is the one that I've been talking about a lot. I want to continue building this position. I have only 3.9 shares. I want to buy more and more and more. So I'm going to see. I'm going to check my budget today, see if I can deposit a little bit more. Then MPW, of course, I'm down 57% in the negative. That one, it has hit me hard. I'll probably move on from it later on, maybe in a year or two. Hopefully, it does come back up to at least my share price, my cost per share, which is $9.29. But I'm going to be collecting those dividends along the way and putting them towards SCHD. And then Camview, 15% down. I started this position on IPO, and I've been buying a cup of coffee into it. Also a position long term spin-off from Johnson & Johnson. I don't think they're gonna go bankrupt anytime soon. I gotta look at their financials. It's been a couple quarters already since their IPO in the stock market, so I gotta take a look at the financials. But I'm planning on holding long term also on that one. And some of my positions that are definitely in the positive, that are performing very nicely, are like Bank of America, 25% in the positive. I was even up 30%. So that's a nice position right there. Main Street Capital is one that I bought over a year ago. One of my first positions in my portfolio. And I'm in the positive by 22%. I've been collecting those monthly dividends and special dividends along the way. I also gotta put, I'm gonna work on the video today of my monthly income, the dividends that I receive in March. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. So you can see what this portfolio of $12,000 made in the month of March. And I'm also gonna show the first quarter, comparing the first quarter of this year to the fourth quarter last year. So definitely a nice video. I'm excited. I already have it set up, so I just gotta make it and then post it hopefully tomorrow or Tuesday. And another position is Apple. I've been buying a little bit in the 170s. My cost per share is 142, so I'm in the positive by 23%, which is really, really nice. All right, so these are all of my positions, and of course, this is what I'm working towards, which is the estimated yearly dividend in the next 12 months. If nothing changes, if they pay the same that they've been paying of the companies that I have here and ETFs, $469 in estimated yearly dividends. And with those news, I'm gonna go into my milestones for the subscribers, and I wanted to announce one of my subscribers, Legendary, posted that Legendary will also be hitting a milestone today, breaking $2,000 in annually dividends. Wow, congrats, Legendary. Definitely, it's awesome. $2,000 in annual dividends, that's definitely a lot. That's really nice. That I really like that. And then another one of the subscribers from the channel, Elton R3323, still buying Vici pretty hard. 95 shares at $29.28. Definitely post your milestones in the comment section. Wow, 95 shares. I definitely wish I had 95 shares and made $2,000 in annual dividends. That would be awesome. So congrats to the both of you. Legendary has also been buying AbbVie, McDonald's, Lowe's, and VNQ. McDonald's definitely taking a dip right now. So I feel like it's at a good buying opportunity. I haven't really looked at the financials, but honestly, McDonald's, is it going to go away this year, next year? No, they have properties everywhere. They have McDonald's everywhere in the world, not only in the US, everywhere in the world. So I do not think McDonald's is going to go away anytime soon. Starbucks will be the first coffee restaurant in space. McDonald's will be the first food restaurant in space, in my opinion, honestly. They're just huge. McDonald's is huge. Any dip, I would take advantage of it. One that I should have started a position when I first started this portfolio. I don't know why I did not do that, but I did go with high yielders, which is a mistake we all made, right? We all have made that in one stage of our investing life, right? That we just pretty much invested only because of the higher yield. So, and then the portfolio salary, if the portfolio pay me per month, right now it is at $39.12 of estimated salary per month. in the next year, I'm almost at $40. I'm almost at that milestone right there. Per week, $9.03 per day of the year, $1.29. I can get an item from the dollar store if I didn't have to pay taxes. I probably have to put like another 3 more cents maybe or something like that to be able to actually get an item from the dollar store every day of the year. And if this portfolio worked a 40-hour week, it will make 23 cents per hour, which is awesome. All right, so estimated yearly income. This is a chart that I have, which holdings pay me the most dividends, and it's SCHD. Of course, is my largest position. I am planning. Somebody asked me what was I planning on doing with SCHD if I'm ever gonna stop buying. And no, I'm never. As of right now, my plan is to continue buying SCHD until I am going to start using my dividends for income to pay bills or to do anything like that. I'm just going to continue buying it on a weekly basis, no matter where the price is at. If it goes up next week to $90, I don't care. I'm going to continue buying $25 weekly of SCHD. And I'm also doing the same thing with VYM. Both of them I'm planning on holding forever and hopefully passing it down to my kids, and hopefully they can pass it down to my grandkids, right? But I'm trying to build generational wealth for my future, right? I want my my kids and grandkids, and after that, taking care, and where they don't have to worry always about work. Hopefully they continue this journey that I'm building right now, that I'm starting right now, right? And they can continue investing in the stock market, make money, maybe even real estate, and they don't have to be tied up to a regular job, right? But this right here, Main Street, is my third position as the largest. And as you can see, this one is also by sector, which is ETFs do pay me the most in yearly dividends of $149 in estimated yearly dividends. So I'm almost at $150. That's between having the ETF category. I have VYM. Let me go right here. Yeah, I have VYM, SCHD, and FXAIX, which is my S&P 500 index fund. So please leave me in the comment section. What have you been buying as of lately? I know some people have been buying Hershey, which is right here. I was looking into it. Hershey, it is still down right now. In the last days, down 2%. In the last 5 days, down 4%. In the last month, down 5%. And then in the last year, down 27%. I do see this as an opportunity, but the people are nervous because of the cocoa prices, which when we look right here at the chart, they are at all-time highs right now. Look at this. At the beginning of the year, let's take a look. In January, at the beginning of the year, the price of the ton of cocoa was at $3,773, and now it is at $10,836. So pretty much 3 times that. The problem with this is that it's gonna cut on their profit of their chocolate bars or any chocolate products that they have. This is definitely gonna cut on their margins on that, on their products. But the good thing is that Hershey does not only make chocolate products, right? They have other snacks in their line. So definitely do your research. Will it go down a little bit more? I have a feeling that it will go down a little bit more because cocoa prices are still so high. And they can only raise their prices by so much, right? Before people stop buying it. You're not gonna buy a Snickers bar $2, right? When a couple of years ago it was like under $1. So they're only gonna be able to raise their prices so much. It's most likely gonna cut into their margins. So the next year will be good to keep an eye on Hershey's. If it goes down even more, maybe it will be even of a good opportunity. I do not think Hershey's gonna go away anytime soon either, even with the cocoa prices going that high. Hershey's just such a big brand out there in the world, not only in the US but in the world. So definitely a good one to do some research. A lot of people are buying it right now. But do your research before you buy any of those shares. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you can see the video of my March income dividends received. Okay, so you don't miss that. I definitely hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.